Description: Weightless Repair Masque revitalizes dry, damaged hair with an instant moisture boost. Ideal for fine hair textures. Benefits: replenishes nutrients back into the hair to strengthen and reconditions to help prevent against future breakage. Suggested use: after shampooing, apply to ends, leave 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse. Use 1 to 2 times per week based on hair's moisture needs. Macadamia Professional Weightless Repair Masque. Hydrate, nourish, strengthen. Color safe, 92% naturally derived, cruelty-free and 100% vegan. Weightless Repair Masque revitalizes dry, damaged hair with an instant moisture boost. This lightweight mask weightlessly nourishes and strengthens individual strands to help repair and defend against future damage. Benefits: smooth split ends. Replenishes nutrients and strengthens hair elasticity. Helps prevent future breakage. Top reviews from the United States. Soft, shiny, smells great. For reference, my hair is long, fine, straight, and dyed using a semi-perm tint. This stuff made my hair so soft and shiny, and it smells amazing. I spent 2 days petting my hair, and here on the 3rd day I'm still enjoying the smell as my hair moves around. It did not make my hair oily or weigh it down, though it doesn't promote volume either. My hairstyles tend to be sleek, and this product works far better for that than anything bouffant. I did try heatless curls the first night, and they slipped out immediately in the morning, the soft sleekness working against them. As for my color, this product was gentle on it and I was not concerned.